Have you ever wondered why some development projects create lasting impact while others fail despite receiving millions of dollars in funding? The answer is often not the amount of money invested. It is the strength of the monitoring, evaluation, and learning system, commonly known as MEL. Without MEL, organizations are simply guessing. With MEL, they make evidence-based decisions that improve people's lives. In today's video, we'll explore what monitoring, evaluation, and learning really means, why every NGO, government institution, UN agency, donor-funded project, and researcher needs it, and how a capacity-building approach can strengthen entire organizations. Let's begin. Before discussing MEL, let's understand capacity building. Capacity building is the continuous process of improving people's knowledge, skills, systems, and institutional ability so they can perform their responsibilities more effectively. According to the training manual, capacity building combines theoretical knowledge with practical experience so participants can confidently apply MEL principles in real-life situations. In simple words, capacity building teaches people what to do, how to do it, why it matters, and how to continuously improve. Millions of children and women continue experiencing violence and harmful practices worldwide. The manual explains that approximately 370 million girls and women experienced rape or sexual assault before age 18. More than 230 million women have undergone female genital mutilation. Around 650 million women were married before reaching adulthood. The document also highlights that Ethiopia continues to experience high rates of child marriage and female genital mutilation, despite important national progress, emphasizing the need for stronger MEL systems to track interventions and improve accountability. The lesson here extends beyond Ethiopia. Whether you're implementing education, health, agriculture, climate change, livelihoods, or governance projects, you need a functional MEL system to know whether your interventions are truly making a difference. MEL stands for monitoring, evaluation, and learning. These three components work together but serve different purposes. Monitoring. Monitoring is the continuous collection of information during project implementation. It answers questions like, are activities happening? Are we reaching the intended beneficiaries? Are we spending resources appropriately? Are indicators moving in the right direction? Monitoring tells us what is happening today. Evaluation. Evaluation takes place at specific points during or after implementation. It examines relevance, effectiveness, efficiency, impact, sustainability. Evaluation answers one important question: did the project actually work? Learning is often forgotten, yet it may be the most important part. Learning transforms monitoring data and evaluation findings into better decisions. Instead of asking, what happened? Learning asks, what should we do differently next time? The manual explains that learning helps organizations adapt, improve implementation, and strengthen future programs through continuous reflection and evidence use. One of the strongest sections of the manual explains the connection between MEL and results-based management, or RBM. RBM is a management approach that focuses on achieving measurable results rather than simply completing activities. Instead of asking, did we conduct training? RBM asks, did people's knowledge improve? Did behavior change? Did communities benefit? Did lives improve? The manual emphasizes that RBM keeps organizations focused on outputs, outcomes, and impacts throughout the project lifecycle, while using MEL as the mechanism for tracking progress and learning. Why many MEL systems fail. One of the most valuable parts of this manual is the diagnostic assessment. It identified several common weaknesses. These include fragmented data collection systems, inconsistent reporting tools, poor coordination between institutions, limited technical capacity, weak data quality, insufficient monitoring frameworks, high staff turnover, limited understanding of MEL principles. Sound familiar? These are challenges many organizations face, not only in Ethiopia but across many development contexts. What makes a strong MEL system? According to the manual, an effective MEL system should have standardized indicators, use consistent data collection tools, ensure data quality, support evidence-based decision-making, promote accountability, encourage continuous learning, provide timely reporting, strengthen coordination among stakeholders. A strong MEL system doesn't just collect data, it transforms data into action. Who should learn MEL? This training is intended for professionals working across multiple sectors, including monitoring and evaluation officers, program, managers, government officers, NGO, staff, health professionals, education officers, gender specialists, law enforcement researchers, development partners. The manual also notes that effective MEL depends on collaboration among institutions and sectors rather than isolated efforts. The core principles of good MEL. The manual outlines several ethical and practical principles for MEL, especially in sensitive programs. These include prioritizing participant safety, protecting confidentiality, obtaining informed consent, using trained data collection teams, providing referral services when necessary, applying child safeguarding measures, conducting risk-benefit analysis before collecting information. These principles help ensure that data collection is both ethical and useful. Key takeaways. Let's summarize. Monitoring tells us, are we doing things right? Evaluation tells us, did we achieve results? Learning tells us, how do we improve? Together, they form one of the most powerful management systems available for development programs. Whether you're implementing projects in education, health, agriculture, nutrition, governance, climate, or humanitarian response, a strong MEL system helps ensure resources create measurable and sustainable impact. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future tutorials. In our next episode, we'll explore the overview and rationale of MEL guidelines, including results-based management, theory of change, and the key elements of a functional MEL system. Thank you for watching. This is VeriSight Research and Consulting, where research meets impact and evidence drives better decisions.